Alright folks, it's kind of noisy in here because there's a couple of projects going on, but we're going to replace this harmonic balancer. And so far me and my brother have taken the belt loose, and this is what's happening. So that rubber that's in between here is absolutely shot. So I just gotta, I'm waiting for the impact that's being used right now. I'm gonna pull this off. And, I've got a, if I need to, I'm gonna try to take it off by hand, but I've got this puller here if I need to. So let me wait for the tools and I'll get right back on this. Alright folks, I took the bolt off. That one piece there came off, and then I grabbed this here, put a hand on each side, and it popped off pretty easy. So looks like the key is still in place. So I've got the new one right here, and see, this one's pretty solid. That's what it's supposed to look like. Do a quick comparison. So this part right here is where that rubber is, and when we pulled it off, it was kind of like that. So it really wasn't nothing holding this thing together. So I'm gonna slip this on it, put that bolt on, and torque it back down, and I'll do another quick little video on it before we finish here. Looks like we got it. I'm gonna do a test. Let's put the AC on, see if it works. It looks like it's working. AC's still on. We can fix it. Alright, thanks for watching.